myself Hansraj Marathe and Mr. Deepak Joshi and Mr. Pardikar and Mr. Srikant Wange, we came from Akola to Tadoba, and we had a stay in Royal Tiger Resort on Morley Gate, and we have done 3 safaris. First was on 5th evening, second was on 6th morning, and this is on 6th evening Morley Gate core zone. So now we have done the processing of showing the permit to forest people. Then they allot a gypsy, or this is canter, which has been allotted to us, and a guide is also allotted. And then further, after checking Aadhars, they deposit your mobile phones in a box. Here they don't allow your mobile phones to carry with you, and then the gypsy or canter will start the safari. Now here the process is going on and we have started. Now listen what our guide says.
आपल्याला फिरून तो टायगर शोधावा लागतो. आम्ही नेमके त्यांचे सिम्पटम्स राहतात टायगर. त्याच्यानंतर आमचे कॉल्स राहतात, अदर डिअर एनिमल्स कॉल करतात, एकमेकाचं कम्युनिकेशन असतं त्यांच्यामध्ये. आणि त्याच्यानंतर सांबरचे कॉल किंवा मार्टिंगचे कॉल, लंगूर कॉल, हे सगळं आम्ही फॉलो करतो. आणि आताचं काही टायगरचे आपल्याला दुपारला आफ्टरनून सफारीमध्ये टायगर हा स्लीपिंग मोडमध्ये जातो. दुपारी जसं आपण झोपतो ना तसे टायगर झोपतात. आणि आताचं कसं वेदर असं राहते की टायगरला वार्म ब्लडेड असते. टायगर कच्चं मांस खातात, त्यांच्या शरीरामध्ये हॉटपणा असते. यांना काय दिवसभर आपल्या त्यांना पाण्यात बसून राहावं लागतं. 4-4 तास पाण्यामध्ये बसून राहतात टायगर. कच्चं मांस पिण्यात त्यांची बॉडी फिट असते. मग ते पूर्ण बॉडी कुलिंग झाल्याशिवाय ते लोक बाहेर नाही. आणि निघले बाहेर तर मग बाहेर निघल्यावर ते कुठेतरी फील्डमध्ये जाऊन झाडाजवळ. तर प्रत्येक टायगर आपल्याला अशाच पद्धतीने शोधावं लागेल. आता आपण पाय बघा, पाय
Now here you can see a deer in the water. In the morning safari we have had a nice sighting of a tiger sitting in the water, male tiger Mowgli, and now we are searching for a tiger on various water bodies. Now here you can see a flock of deers and little egrets, then langurs on a water body, but yet we have not spotted a tiger. Now here is a mottled wood owl on a tree while moving from here to there. He is so camouflaged that it is very difficult to spot him on a tree. Now we have seen a tiger sleeping in woods behind bamboos, and actually there was a pair, male and female, but you cannot see them separately in the bamboo bush. So we were waiting to move him out on a water body nearby. There was a tank. Now here you can see rufous tree pie bird and a dove drinking water, and we were waiting for that tiger to move, and at last he moved and he sat in a tank, water tank, and now again he has moved in the jungle. So it was a very short sighting. His name was Chota Dadiyal, a male tiger. So for some time we followed him in a jungle, but he went inside, and now we moved from there to search another spot. Now in the way we spotted these wild ducks, near about 7 to 8 wild dogs. So there are many animals in the jungle. Here there are sloth bears, there are wild dogs.
कुठे बसले
And many more. But if you are lucky, then and then only you can see them. If they come out of the jungle in open. And now again we have spotted a spotted deer's flock. Now we were moving to a Pandharpavani lake. Now we have come there and we have seen a male tiger Mowgli here resting in water and cooling down his body. The same Mowgli was sitting in the morning also, and we have seen him in the morning also. Again we have spotted him and he is cooling down his body. Almost all the animals try to cool down their body in the water. Now we are watching him far away from him, and there are so many gypsies. There is noise which may disturb him. He was sitting quiet and we couldn't get his head on pose, but something was disturbing him.
वो ट्री के पास जाके ग्रीन ट्री है ना, वहाँ पे गया था ना, वो अपने को मिला था उधर से। अच्छा आया था।
Actually, there are two types of sightings of a tiger in the jungle. One, this type of sighting that he is sitting calm and quiet, and we were waiting that he will show his face to us. Yes, he has shown. And second type of sighting is he moves on the road. Now he has moved from that water because of the noise of the people sitting in gypsies. This is not a responsible behavior. You should keep quiet and should not disturb him. Now he stood up and went inside the bush. Don't know whether he will move inside the jungle. It seems that he again sat in the water behind the bush, maybe due to the noise of the people. And in the meantime our time was ending. The safari's time is 6 o'clock, so it was near about 5:40, 5:50. So our gypsy started our return journey, and here there is a lake on the way. Many a times there are crocodiles sitting on the bank of that lake. Many rafters are also there. There are fish eagles and many other birds also which hunt. So we were watching the bank if we can see something while returning, and we were back to pavilion. We had again 2 sightings of tiger. Now we have spotted a crocodile. Where this is a ghost tree. We had today in the evening sighting of 2 tigers. One was Chota Dadial and a female. This another was Mowgli, and our safari ended. So we will be back on the gate, and from there we will move to our Royal Tiger Resorts, and tomorrow we will be going back to Akola in the morning. Now here we came back to the gate. We will come out of the gate, step down from the jeep, and our resort is 5 minutes walking distance. So we will walk down to resort and we will have a tea and snacks in the resort. Here are the other people in Canter. On 6th evening we ended our last third safari, and on 7th in the morning we started for Akola. But before going to Akola, I made it a point to meet a person who was staying in Tadoba fortunately, and long back I wanted to meet the personality, and the name of that personality is Hans Dalal. Now who is Hans Dalal? If you want to know in detail, you can put his name on YouTube and you will see so many videos of him, interviews, stage shows, and I have also seen his videos on YouTube, and I was fascinated with his personality. I was impressed with his personality, the work he is doing towards the tiger conservation, and it is very creditable because he was born with a disease, cerebral palsy, and due to the strong support of his parents, he grew up, he learned, he was educated, he was a pianist but could not pursue due to his physical disability. Then he became a sound engineer. He worked in the film industry for near about 10 years. He has his own studio, and in the meantime he was visiting the jungles, he was doing trekking, and one such incident, he met a tiger, he has sighting of a tiger, and that 5 seconds changed his life. He was disturbed, and then he left the film industry. He shut down his studio and started his new episode, tiger conservation. He went to Ranthambore, and from there now he is in Tadoba, and a sound engineer, producer, conservationist, filmmaker, and a talented person. He knows what is forest, what is tiger, and I was so impressed by viewing his videos, knowing his work towards conservation of tiger. So I decided that whenever I will go to Tadoba, I will meet him. I will try to meet him because he is a busy person. And then I took his appointment, and on 7th morning at 7 o'clock I went to his resort, the outlet, and I met him. I was very glad that I had an opportunity to meet him, and with as I had to proceed to Akola with my all 4 friends, so I had only meeting of 10 minutes with him, and I was very glad. Here I am putting some photos, and you also try to view his videos on YouTube and to know what he is doing towards the conservation of tiger. I salute to him. Thank you.